Hi, we have two circles tangent to each other at point P. The outer circle is inscribed in a square ABCD such that it meets the square at points P, Q, R and S. If QM equals to 4 units and Rn equals to 6 units, find the area of the square ABCD. Do pause the video to think of the solution. I'll lead you towards the answer. Here, because the circle is inscribed in a square, it is evident that QS and PR will be the diameter of the bigger circle. Before we proceed towards the solution, we have to know that ultimately it's the diameter of the bigger circle that we need to find out so that we can get the area of the square, as the diameter of the bigger circle will be equal to the side of the square. So what we'll do is to do some constructions. Let's assume the center of the bigger circle to be O and that of smaller circle to be E. Let's join points E and M so that EM is the radius of the small circle. We will now represent the diameter and radius of the bigger circle by D1 and R1 respectively, and that of a smaller circle by D2 and R2 respectively. Let's establish a relationship between the diameters and radii of the two circles. We can see that PR equals to Pn plus Nr, or D1 equals to D2 plus 6. Let this be equation 1. Because diameter is twice the radius in any circle, we can write 2R1 equals to 2R2 plus 6, or R1 equals to R2 plus 3. Let this be equation 2. Now, if we look here, we can see that OR equals to On plus Nr, or R1 equals to On plus 6, or On equals to R1 minus 6. Let's replace the value of R1 from equation 2, and that gives us On equals to R2 plus 3 minus 6 equals to R2 minus 3. If we look here, we can see that if On is equal to R2 minus 3 and Ne is equal to R2, OE has to be 3. Therefore, OE equals to 3. We can also see that OQ equals to OM plus MQ, or R1 equals to OM plus 4, or OM equals to R1 minus 4. Substituting the value of R1 from equation 2, we get OM equals to R2 plus 3 minus 4 equals to R2 minus 1. So, we have found out OE and OM in terms of radius of the smaller circle. Let's use Pythagoras theorem in triangle OME. We get ME square equals to OA square plus OM square, or R2 square equals to 3A square plus R2 minus 1 whole square, or R2 square equals to 9 plus R2 square minus 2R2 plus 1, or 2R2 equals to 10. Because 2 times radius of the circle is equal to diameter of the circle, diameter equals to 10 units. Substituting the value of this D2 in equation 1, we get diameter of the bigger circle D1 equals to D2 plus 6 equals to 10 plus 6 equals to 16 units. It's evident that the side of this square is equal to the diameter of the bigger circle. Therefore, area of a square ABCD equals to 16 square equals to 256 square units. With this, we have solved the question. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos.